Hello everyone, my name is Annika from Kyoto Kagaku Europe, and we're gonna talk about our PH75 multi-energy Q&A phantom today. So these are the contents for today's presentation. We're gonna start with what is multi-energy CT, and we're also gonna talk about the features of our PH75 Q&A phantom. First of all, what is multi-energy CT? Multi-energy CT is also known as dual energy CT. This is a CT device which performs the screening with two different X-ray beams with different energies. This also means that a new scanner technology is needed for those devices which can switch between energy quickly and can use different X-ray sources and specialized detectors, also to process the data later. Those devices are especially needed to diagnose certain diseases easier and to apply faster treatment later, as at cancer or liver lesions. Why do we need phantoms for multi-energy CT? First of all, those phantoms are needed for the quality assurance for those devices and also for research, as to compare different scanners and software applications and to develop and test new applications and contrast materials. They can be also used in the radiotherapy. An example is the proton therapy. Here is an overview of the current manufacturers of those devices. We have Siemens Healthineers, Philips, Canon, and TIA Healthcare. For more information about the features of the different devices, please have a look at the respective website. Now, the next point is the discourse quality assurance guidelines for multi-energy CT. At this point now, there are no established guidelines for multi-energy devices yet in most countries. A certain kind of research and verification is needed. We can see as an example the dual energy CT quality control in the United States. The American Association of Physicists in Medicine just recently started a task group to establish those guidelines. Our phantom will be also featured in those testing. Now to the features of our PH75 Q&A phantom. We have different versions available currently. The first one, the PH75A TRJ phantom, is sold on the Japanese domestic market. This phantom has a smaller size body. Then we also have the PH75B TR1 phantom, which was developed for the overseas market, which comes with a bigger body. But the rod inserts are the same with both phantoms. And last but not least, there is the PH75C version, also known as TRA. This is a custom order with a different rod sets, but the body size is the same as the PH75B. Also, individual custom orders are possible. Our phantoms come in a set with the oval phantom, which is here the body, the internal cylindrical phantom for the rod inserts. Then also comes with 9 filling rods for this emitter holes. You can fill these rods with your own solution. Then there's a basic set of 14 rods and 20 empty bottles to mix your own solution, the spacers for the empty bottles, and last but not least, the manual. The evaluation parameters for our phantoms are uniformity, signal to noise ratio, image contrast, CT dose index. And you can use our phantoms for the applications of multi-energy CT or dual energy CT image analysis protocol, metal artifact reduction, and contrasted vessel evaluation. A quite unique feature of our phantom is the water equivalent material, which has the same Hounsfield value as actual water. We use this instead of water, so there's no concern of leakage with this phantom. Also, the different kinds of insert. We will have a look at the list later. And images in CT dose index evaluation is possible in just the same way as actual water. Also, in the attached bottle inserts, different samples can be inserted as animal organs, metals, or tumors for evaluation later. Here is the complete list of the options. We have different concentration of calcium inserts as an example, but also iodine inserts. And it's also possible to customize your own rods. So we want to talk a little bit more about the water equivalent material, short WEM. This material has a high equivalency in wide range of energies. And as mentioned before, it shows the same Hounsfield value contrast as water, which we can see on those images below. We also did a comparison of the different inserts which comes with our phantom. Those were different concentration of iodine and also the water equivalent material. And as we can see in the chart, the rods show the same shift of Hounsfield values as humans in each energy range. There are also some papers and publications available for this phantom. You can have a look later at them in detail. So now we come to the end of the presentation with the conclusion. Dual energy CT devices are used for diagnosis of cancer and other diseases, and specialized phantoms are needed for those devices for quality assurance, as an example. But no concrete guidelines for quality assurance have been established yet. Our phantom comes in two sizes with different rod options. It's a flexible phantom for a variety of applications and evaluation parameters. And our water equivalent material is quite unique, especially among other phantoms for those devices. Thank you very much for listening to today's presentation. And if you want to have a look at the presentation in detail, just let us know. We will gonna share it with you later. Goodbye.